Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Have you ever imagined creating a complete cinematic AI movie without using a camera, actors, or expensive editing software? Now it's possible. With Google Flow's Storyboard Studio, you can generate an entire AI movie from just a single idea. The AI automatically creates a complete story, characters, locations, storyboards, and even cinematic video scenes. The best part is that Google gives you 50 free credits every day, so you can start creating AI movies completely free. In today's video, I'll show you the entire process from beginning to end. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open Google Flow. Sign in using your Google account. Create a new project. Then click Tools. Next, click Templates. Scroll down until you find Storyboard Studio under the New Features section. Since it's completely free, simply open it. Now choose your preferred style. You can keep it set to realistic if you want realistic visuals. I'm selecting realistic. This setting determines the overall visual style of your movie. Click Get Started. Now paste your movie idea into the command box. For example, a giant alien invades New York and Webman tries to save the city. Then click Continue. Now comes the exciting part. You don't have to write the entire movie script yourself. Storyboard Studio reads your idea and automatically generates a complete movie script for you. Just wait a few seconds. Once the script is ready, go to the Assets section. Click Autofill Characters. Google Flow will automatically generate all the characters. Next, repeat the same process for locations, set design, props. Within seconds, your movie's characters, locations, and environments will be ready. Honestly, the result looks like it was created by a professional production team. Now open the storyboard section. Click Autofill. Before doing this, remember one important thing. Always generate all your characters and assets first. Only then create the storyboard. This helps maintain character consistency throughout the movie. Storyboard Studio can generate up to 20 scenes automatically, and you can even build much longer movies if needed. Now comes the most important step. This is where many people make mistakes. Most users immediately start animating the storyboard, which often results in inconsistent and disconnected scenes. Never skip this step. First, copy the complete movie script into a new document. This will become your main reference. Next, open each storyboard image individually. Download every image by clicking Save As. Rename them Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Save all the images inside one folder. Keeping everything organized by scene number is the key to creating a professional-looking AI movie. Yes, it takes a few extra minutes. But this is exactly what separates a high-quality AI film from a collection of random AI-generated clips. Now open ChatGPT. Upload all your storyboard images, then paste your complete movie script together with the scene descriptions. I'm using a master prompt, then click Continue. This prompt analyzes the script, storyboard images, and scene descriptions, then automatically generates a separate cinematic animation prompt for every scene. This saves a huge amount of time while keeping every scene consistent. Now copy the prompt generated for scene 1. Return to Google Flow, click the plus button, select Upload Media. Upload your scene 1 storyboard image. Click Add to Prompt. Paste the animation prompt into the prompt box. Now configure the settings. Model, OmniFlash, Aspect Ratio, 16:9, Number of videos, 1. Duration, 10 seconds. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Wait for the rendering process to finish. Then press Play. You'll immediately notice the cinematic quality. And remember, this entire scene was created using free AI tools. Now repeat the same process for Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4. Continue until all scenes have been animated. After downloading all your video clips, open your favorite video editor. Arrange every clip on the timeline according to the scene order. If needed, add transitions, sound effects, background music, captions, color adjustments. Finally, export your movie. That's it. Your cinematic AI movie is now complete. There are a few limitations you should keep in mind. Google provides 50 free credits every day. Each generated video usually consumes around 15 credits, That means you can create approximately 3 scenes per day using a free account. With a pro account, you can generate many more scenes. You can also use multiple Google accounts if needed. Another thing to remember, although OmniFlash delivers excellent results, it's not perfect. Some complex scenes may require multiple generations before you get the best output. Planning your storyboard properly before generating videos will help save both time and credits. So friends, that's the complete process of creating a cinematic AI movie for free using Google Flow Storyboard Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you want more AI filmmaking tutorials, Google Flow tips, and the latest AI tools, be sure to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.